In this video, I'm going to show you how the spaceship is going to explode and the game is going to stop once an asteroid hits the spaceship. So first I need a new costume for my spaceship that shows that it's exploding. So I'm going to click on my spaceship. Make sure that your spaceship is active, that's the sprite that you're using. I'm going to go into costumes and I'm going to duplicate this spaceship costume. So I do that by clicking on the stamp at the top and it says duplicate. Click on the stamp and then use that stamp and click on my costume. Okay, it creates a second costume. And on this costume, what I'm going to do is just show some fire coming out of the front of it. You can do whatever you want with yours, and I'm not a very good artist, so I'm just going to do something really briefly. Okay, and then you can fill yours in. So now I want to go back to my first costume. That's what I want to show up when I start the game. And I'm going to go into my scripts. And I'm going to say when the green flag is clicked, I'm going to make sure that I always have that first costume showing. So switch costume to costume 1, which is the normal spaceship not being blown up. And then I'm going to forever check if it's being hit by an asteroid. Forever, if, and sensing if I'm touching an asteroid. Okay, then I'm going to play a sound. I have a sound for the explosion. It's called boom. So I'll go into my scripts. I'm going to play the sound called boom. I'm going to change my costume to the exploding costume. I'm going to wait for about half a second, 0.2 seconds. And then I'm going to stop everything. That stops the whole game. That stops the asteroids from falling down. It stops the stars from going past. And that way your game is over. So let's play it and see what happens. Good. Okay. Now the sound didn't quite seem to go on for long enough, so I might change this to 0.3, something like that, to give it a little bit longer, so I can hear more of the sound. That's how you make your spaceship explode.